name is Mariela Erica Masis from the class of grade 10 Rizal. Well, before we start, I just want to tell y'all how this lesson gives me 200% of stress and a headache. So I'm gonna give you this
Chainatsu dance.
So after the cheer up dance, I'm gonna start talking about geometric sequence. What is geometric sequence? In mathematics, a geometric progression, also known as geometric sequence, is a sequence of non-zero numbers where each term after the first is found by multiplying the previous one by a fixed non-zero number called common ratio. To answer geometric sequence, we must follow the rule or formula an is equals to a1 times r raised to the power of n minus 1. Let's start answering 1, but before that, let's have this
Chainatsu dance.
Anyways, moving on. I'm going to give you one example to answer geometric progression or geometric sequence. During an initial phase of an outbreak of measles, the number of infections can grow geometrically. If there were 4, 8, 16, and so on the first 3 days of an outbreak of measles, how many will be infected on the 6th day? So basically, the main question here is, what is the 6th term of the sequence 4, 8, and 16? Of course, our A1 is 4, our N is 6 because we are finding the 6th term of the given sequence, and our ratio is 2 because all of the sequence are multiplied by 2. Everyone knows before we answer it all, we must copy the formula first. After we wrote down the formula, we will now write the A6 is equals to 4 times 2 raised to the power of 6 minus 1. You must be wondering why I wrote 6. It is 6 because, as I said earlier, our n is 6. So basically, the answer for n is 6. This is the last one we will answer. So if you calculate it, you will get the answer. So basically, this is the last boss. We're gonna write down the A6 again is equals to 4 times 2 raised to the power of 5. That is what we write earlier. So to answer this, you must use calculator, or if you are smart enough, you can answer it mentally. But I used calculator here. It's because I'm not that smart. So after answering it, I got the answer already, and it's 128. So our 6th term of the sequence 4, 8, and 16 is 128.